I did give it the spit test. It sizzles. Ooh, it's sizzling. So, actually gotta leave it on. It's got that burnt spit smell now. Yeah, look at that. Look how quickly it goes away. Ooh, that thing's lit up, man. I want that thing now. So, is this the right remote? Oh, that's V2 Mojave. So what I want is this thing. I believe, like I said, that does have a battery already in it. I think like I strapped it in like I was ready to rip. So let's see. Kind of feels like it's got a battery in it. All right, so this thing is kind of finally fixed, kind of, sort of. So what I ended up doing is I took the rear axles and basically put them on the front, because when Arrma or Horizon or whoever's in charge sent me the cups that like are the issue, which definitely fix, well, at least they visually fix the issue. Now it's time to basically run this thing. But I wanted to show you was that the only one thing that could potentially break is that right there. You see that? That's a pile of zip ties. Yeah, I'll show you what I'm talking about. It's a pile of zip ties, and the only reason why is because I didn't have another link. So what happens is when that pin comes out, it wipes out that. So I just went ahead and I put 4 zip ties on there. So basically that should kind of hold that together if by chance that wants to go. Now taking a look at these look brand new, man. So basically this piece right here, this is the front. Same thing on the other side. These are from the fronts and these are the rears, okay? So that's all I did is I took the rear, swapped them onto the front, and took the front good ones and put them on the rear with the newly designed cups. So you can't almost tell that those little band clamps are on there. And I do feel that that is the fix. But the only way to find out if the fix is a fix is to run it over here at Diamond Dust. So first thing I'm gonna have to treat it like I did before. First thing I did, couple of runs, high speed, hit the sand mountain, and then obviously hit that speed jump spot that's over there. And then maybe do a couple backflips or something. I think I remember doing that. Did a couple of backflips over there. So anyways, it's RC Guy Garage. I'm over here at Diamond Dust running the Arrma Outcast. The sun's going away. Running the Arrma Outcast V2 4S on 4S. Yeah, because that's all it takes at the moment. At the moment. At the moment. Wait till you see. All right. So when that thing cools down, put this on. Put this on. I think that was 4 beeps. I wasn't really paying attention. I was watching the thing rocking. And this thing is gonna be rocking now, man. It's funny. Isn't it crazy, man? Look at how many Arrma vehicles I have than anything else. I think I have more Red Cat than I do Traxxas. But I do own Traxxas vehicles, so it's not like I don't like Traxxas, I do. All right. Oh! Nope, nope, I'm gonna blow a tire. You're gonna blow a tire, guy! I don't want to do that. No blowing of tires. What the heck? Oh my god, look at all the boulders out here. I'll be back. Realize how long it slid for? It hit there. It slid on its lid this entire stinking way. Slid on its lid. And it's still fine. Smoky trails, baby. Ah! Runaway! It's a runaway truck. So this is like the same experience. Full trigger just nets a wheelie. This should be pelting those rear axles, man, with diamonds. It's pelting those rear axles with diamonds, man. That's what diamond dust is all about here. It's all about this dusty goodness that fills up your lungs and... Oh! Ah! It's a ripper. Oh, I'm smiling again, dude. I'm smiling. This is just a different kind of truck, man. Look at that. Oh! Hill climb. Absolutely mint. Absolutely mint. Hill climb to a jump. Got a hill climbing again. I don't have the game changer fan in here either. Like I said, I was returning this thing back to stock. Double flip. Wonder if I can get a front flip off of this. Woo! Woo! Run it out. Run it out. Oh, it did like a flip, dude. Oh, look at that, dude. All right. It did like a flip. Oh, it almost does. It almost does like a flip. Oh, just nailed that rock. Yeah, you know what I'm saying. By now, I would have lost a pen. Oh, I love that. That was a hard front landing too. Oh, look at that. People saying I'm holding back with this truck, man. I don't know what the heck you're talking about. Definitely not sticking holding back, man. Wheelie. Dusty goodness. It's almost like my truck is in the way. Oh my God, this is like, this is... All right. You're gonna hear it. You're gonna
stinking hear it, all right? Pay attention.
This truck right here, this Outcast, I don't care that I blew out a motor bearing. It shouldn't have happened. This thing right here is a favorite. Dude, this thing is a stinking favorite. This thing is such an animal. How is it possible that a derived from 3S vehicle that's a 4S vehicle, how is it just doing what it's doing? Everybody's like, yeah, you gotta have a 100S to enjoy. It's like, do you realize that when you get a 6S vehicle, everything about it is that much more weight? So it's like, you know, people were complaining about, yeah, they want a center diff. Why? Why? Really explain to me why you want a center diff. Like, I don't get it, man. Just tune a slipper. If you want slip between the front and the back, tune it. If you want to lock it, lock it. You know what I mean? It's like, I'm just having a blast, man. I would fight anybody right now in words. We aren't violent people. Whatever. I would fight somebody right now because, and I feel like I wouldn't have a problem passing this remote on to somebody to let them have a stinking go with it, man. We're at the speed jump spot. I don't know if you can tell. The Arrma's sitting over there. I know it's burning up right now. I know that thing is hot. After what I just did, man, that was pretty much some full trigger ripping right there. And I gotta tell you, I wouldn't say it's a favorite unless I really meant it. Like, look into my eyes.
This truck is one of my favorites. And yeah, it's only a 4S.
And no, I don't drive a Prius. You know I had to say that one. All right, man. I'm hitting that. Like I said, though, I'm going to let this thing cool off just a little bit, but I'm going to get a couple of pictures. I'm going to stop this, and then I'll continue on with the footage, man. But I'm telling you. Yeah, I should look at the axles right now. How about if we look at these axles, actually? While this thing is doing this, let's look at the axles. See what we're looking at here. I can tell this thing is hot right now. So other than like I had said, both fans are going. Like I had said, oh my God. That's totally the fix, dude. Look at this. That is totally the fix, man. Oh my God. Arrma, Horizon, whatever. You guys
are the ones that messed up, man. You sent me a defective truck.
And just now, it's running fine and I had to makeshift stuff? You guys gotta figure stuff out, man, and start sending me the real stuff. Like this thing, you should have sent me the Kraton Horizon. Arrma, whatever. Arrma. Just checking stuff, man. I really like this truck. I'm telling you. I really do. There's nothing gonna be wrong with the front. I know you can see that. That's what I had to do. I had to do it. I had nothing else. I could not figure out another band because the other band failed and I didn't want to throw a failed band on the front, so I nut and bolted it. And it works. And it took some hard landings on the front too, so. That motor's still hot, man. It is cooling down though. I'm very happy. I am very happy with this truck. Damn it, I am happy. Battery pack feels good. ESC is meant, it's just the motor's hot. And I don't know if you noticed, I noticed this. I didn't fix it. It's missing one of the screws on the motor. So obviously when I had taken that apart, because I didn't use Loctite, well, guess what happened? So when you do take these off, go ahead and make sure you put Loctite on them. Pro tip from rcguygarage: put Loctite on your stupid motor screws, the end bell or end cap. I think they call it an end bell, but put the motor screws on the end cap that holds the non-pinion side bearing when you replace your bearing, because, yeah, see how the under part of the chassis is looking? No cracks. It's got some warmth. It's got some friction. Ah, this thing's doing great, man. Arms look mint. I really like this truck. Tires. Let's check it out. Let's get all the sand out of there. Tires, I re-glued them, so. Oh, no. Oh, I tore the tire. No. Oh, no. I tore a backflip. Ah. Oh, crap. Oh, no. That's bad. And I don't have glue with me. All right, that's enough. Nah, you know what? I'm still going to run it. Tire's already junk. I'm done. I'm done letting this thing breathe. It's time to just rip it. Damn it, I gotta get tires now. Crap. So anyways, there's a GoFundMe for, what are these, backflip, backflip OPs, GoFundMe. Yeah, right. Alright. Damn it! I'm gonna have to put kaijus on this, you know that, right? Because that happened, I'm gonna have to put kaijus on this. Damn! But I do have to get these tires because these tires are actually pretty mint. Earl swears by these tires. Oh, look at that flip. And it's on its wheels. Can't believe these tires are still just holding together, man. I still gotta climb and make that mountain, man. Why am I doing such a long, crazy run up? Oh, you know what? I got a rock stuck in the servo, don't I? Yes, I do. Dang it! There's a rock stuck in the stupid servo. I'll be back. I said I know there's a rock stuck in the servo, but I don't actually know. I'm just kind of hoping. The steering is cranked. And it is wanting to turn, so I think I got a rock stuck in there. See. I guess this just needed another brake. That's what it was. Something is jammed in there. Rock jammed right there. How to get that out? Just want to make sure. It's fine now. The thing is I didn't see a rock fall out, so maybe it was stuck in a different pocket somewhere. So I did have these wires captured by the little wire thing right there. I think I see a little bit of a jump right there. Maybe I'm saying this is my favorite truck too early, but sometimes it's when you get a feel for something. Do you know what I mean? Like, and I just feel it. The heck is that? Irrigation line. I don't know what I'm trying to do here. It's a stinking sheer cliff here. I'm just trying to not hold back. Yep, I think I see it. Think I can go right up and jump that whole thing. Not really. What the heck was that? I think I can line this up. As soon as I hit like the bump. Yeah, it's too much of a ledge. Nah, I just gotta bury. Man, is this thing creating some dust here. Oh, the link went. Oh, the link I fixed went. I told you, man. I told you that was the only thing that was gonna go, is that link. I didn't have another link. So what happens is when that pin comes out, it wipes out. It wipes out that. So I just went ahead and I put 4 zip ties on there. So basically that should kind of hold that together if by chance that wants to go. Now taking a look at because it was already weak. No! Oh man, dude, that's it. That ends it. See, what happened is the pin had chewed away all that material, so I had taken this and wrapped it. Damn it. You know 100% that ain't getting no 1-pack sticker. It's already got 2, not 1-pack. Wow. Wow, man. I am so happy with this truck, man. Telling you. I'm gonna take some pictures. So yes, this is the walk. But this ain't the walk of shame though, man. This ain't the walk of shame. Tell ya. Telling you. While I make my way back up to the truck, I don't think you have a hesitation. So you can slay me if you buy one and it doesn't work out because of QC. That's got nothing to do with me. But what I can say is that while I have a pre-production truck, it's not. I mean, it is, but it's not. Mine's fixed now. Now I need the links. So anyways, you know I'll figure something out. I always do. The zip ties failed me. Maybe if I had some duct tape on there, would have been fine. So anyways, it's RC Guy Garage. I am out ripping it at Diamond Dust, the original, with the Arrma Outcast V2 4S. What are you doing? I know it looks funny with the door open, but Big Black is still a sharp looking truck, despite all its little New England rust crap.